Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Krita. And let's see today why sometimes you cannot erase in Krita. So let's say we have some image and we're painting here and we're adding some new layers and painting. Okay, now you decided to remove this line you did it. You're choosing eraser. But you cannot do it. You cannot do it because right now you are on another layer. And if you go to the previous where you did this painting, you can erase it. Okay, or for example, you are selecting this and you wanted to do something to it, and then you decided to continue with erasing. You are erasing, but you cannot. This is because right now you can erase only inside this selected area, or if you choose invert selection, only outside. And you cannot erase the end, for example. But if you remove the selection, Shift Ctrl A, you can do it freely. Just don't forget to be an appropriate layer. See, right now this line is not erasing because it's an another layer. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.